Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is feliciamesadieu, your guide to help you design the best version of you by looking and feeling your best. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this big old fluffy Bantu knot out curly afro. It's a little different from what I normally do. Normally I have more defined Bantu knot outs where I just kind of untwist it and then I just really let the Bantu knots curl, spiral type of curls like just hang. I don't really tamper with them just because I normally really gravitate to more of that definition. But this time I just said, oh, what the heck, let me see what I can do with a lot more volume. And as I started picking it out, I was creating a little bit more frizz, and then it just became more of like that afro textured look. And I just wanted to see what it looks like on, you know, because I don't normally do this. So this is that look. You can see the curls, and you can see that there was some type of manipulation that was done to the hair, but for the most part there's a lot of frizz and it's really big and voluminous. So I guess if you're going for more of like that big frizzy voluminous look, definitely is also, I did this on wet hair, so I have a lot of shrinkage in my roots, so you really can't tell how long my hair really is at all with this. It makes me look like I have more of like a shorter kind of like almost like a diva cut, but not as like manicured as a diva cut, because I know a diva cut is really shaped up, but I have more of like that kind of length of style with this Bantu knot out. But my hair is not even like, it's, yeah. So anyways, so in this video I am using some products from As I Am. So thank you so much to As I Am for collaborating with me on this video. And if you guys want to see how I got this big old fluffy curly Bantu knot out textured afro, then please stay tuned. I am going to be styling detangled stretched hair, and I will be applying the As I Am curl enhancing smoothie to a section of my hair that I have parted in a square. Applying this product is going to help my hair have curl definition and moisture. I'm separating my edges from the section of hair that I will be twisting to prevent tension and breakage. My technique for Bantu knots consists of twisting a section of hair a few inches away from the root, and this will prevent you from twisting the hair too tight, and it also provides you with the best coil. And as I'm twisting, I will keep twisting until my hair begins to coil into a knot closest to my roots. As the hair continues to coil, I will twist the hair that is not yet twisted, and I will twist that hair around my finger and then rope it or wrap it, as some people would say, around the knot. And I will continue this technique until the entire section of hair has been twisted and roped around the knot and has completely coiled into a Bantu knot. And I'm going to repeat those steps until I have completed my entire head and it's full of Bantu knots. I let my hair set overnight and I did sleep with a scarf, and now I'm ready to take down the Bantu knots. I will be twisting the Bantu knot in the opposite direction that it was coiled into to form the Bantu knot. And this is going to help me to uncoil the hair, and it gives it a beautiful spiraled chunky curl. Next, I'm going to separate the chunky curls into smaller curls. I will also be fluffing it out first with a wide tooth comb to give it some volume and shape. And then I'm going to go back in with a pick. I'm just going to continue to fluff it out and pick it out until I have the shape that I want. I will have the products linked down in the description box if you're interested, so definitely check that out. That completes this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Favor, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!